What's up? Alright, it's going to be a pretty awesome day today. We're going to pick up a new car. I'm not going to tell you what it is till we get there. And Nate doesn't even know what it is. It's a surprise to him too.
We're going to see what it is.
It's
my lucky day.
We're in the 335 and we got two tires in the back that are muddy and dirty and full of water, and I feel like a complete swell guy for doing that to Nate over there. But we're going to sell those quick and then we're on our way to go pick up this car. Nate, what do you think about this?
I'm excited to see what this car is. It could either be a total shit box or it could be a nice little gem. I don't know. We're gonna see today.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's not like a complete turd. Get there, yeah. Then we're leaving empty-handed. But it's too good of a deal to pass up, so I have to get it. That's how we roll.
Yep, we're gonna do it today at the shite box.
What is that?
The police scanner.
Oh, forgot.
Yep.
Yeah, we bunch of ballers around here.
Gotta make sure I don't get pulled over.
So Nate here, he doesn't know how to drive a manual. Some of you guys might not know that. And this car is a 5-speed. So
yeah, he kind of accidentally let that slip earlier. He said he wasn't gonna tell me, and then he was like, "Is it a manual?" He's like, "Yup." And I'm like, "Am I driving it home?" He's like, "Yup."
So we're gonna teach him how to drive a manual. So
it'll be a good day.
Be a good day for Nate.
In a place that I don't know, I've never been to before, never drove this car before. It's gonna fucking go great.
Yeah, we are meeting him way out in the boonies. He's a friendly guy right off of Craigslist, so I'm sure he won't rape or kill us.
No.
Well, maybe you. I'm not getting raped.
We're gonna see. Maybe I can take him.
There's 2 of us and probably like 6 of him. It's probably a bunch of hillbillies or something.
Probably, dude. All of his cousins.
Wait, I thought about, for this video, I was thinking about it earlier today at work, because I've been amped about this all day. Alright, just sold those tires that were in the back for 20 bucks. I was selling them for 30, and he was like trying to lowball me and be like, "Oh, they're kind of bald." I'm like, dude, they're used tires for 30 bucks. Like, if you don't take these tires, I'm gonna leave them in the parking lot and just drive off, because I'm not putting them back in this car. Like, I was just trying to help the guy out. I didn't care about that $20. But I just thought I'd post that as like a side note. Hate me all you want, whatever. I'm just like in a hurry and I don't have time. Like, we drove out of our way 10 minutes to meet this guy for 2 tires for 20 bucks. And he complained about it. Like, dude, go get 2 used tires somewhere for 20 bucks. Like, come on, dude. Like, I was either gonna use them as burn-off tires or I'm just gonna throw them in the dumpster over there. Like, I don't care about those. But yeah, still on our way right now to go get the car. Still driving to go get this car way out in the boonies. We're so far out here, we actually passed a couple of oil rigs, but Nate still doesn't know what kind of car we're getting.
Yep.
And it's driving him crazy. He's asked me probably 900 times on this trip, but we're almost there, and I'm pretty stoked. I'm actually so stoked that I'm like, I think I'm sweating right now. I'm full of adrenaline. It's awesome. Nate over here, speed racer. His BMW problems for one. His car is in limp mode, so he has no twin turbo action. It's just naturally aspirated.
Yeah,
and has no balls. But so I've been telling him a little bit about the car. Like, it has an LS6 in it.
650 horse, dude.
I told him about how much I'm paying for it, and yeah, I think he's a little nervous.
I just want to see it. I'm just ready to see what it looks like.
Oh, here.
My air fresheners are getting in the way.
about to pull up here in a second. We're only like 2-3 minutes away, but I want you guys to see this sweet ass
right
road.
onto Columbus Street.
Like, got mountains and shit. Dude, I'm so stoked right now. He lives up here somewhere. I'll show you when we pull up. Alright, so we're here. Here's Nate's reaction. Here.
Fucking sexy, dude.
Dude, do you see it? He doesn't even know what it is yet, but here, look. Hold on, I'll zoom in. There you go. Alright, driving the car back. It's pretty sick. I know I haven't showed you guys yet, but I'll show you it. But it is loud. Like, listen to this. Whoops, it's a little grind, but listen to this. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Alright, so this is cruising at 50. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But he said there's this weird issue where, because it has no O2 sensors right now, anywhere, that after it reaches a certain temperature, the car dies out or something, so hopefully that doesn't happen, and we'll see. He said the car floods out, so you have to like give it like full gas or something. I don't know. We'll see. So far it's running okay. It's really loud though. Like really loud. But I got, I think, another 40 minutes left to drive it home. Everything's checking out okay, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, I'm going to try and do a little pull for you guys. I got the window down, sorry if you can't hear anything. And if my camera falls, I'm sorry. But I'm going to do a little pull. Oh my God! Oh, that wasn't even red light. That was like almost 5,000, like 4.5. It's, God. All I did was drop a gear. Oh my God. With the car, it came with a racing seat and a Mezzo exhaust, short shifter, I think brake pads, a bracket for the racing seat and everything. And I just have the exhaust chilling in the car with me. It's got one door panel off, but that's in the back too. Nate is in the back. He has the short shifter and, sorry, just almost went off the road. He has the short shifter and racing seat in the back. But yeah, this thing's pretty sweet so far. It's driving okay. I've been driving for a little while now. It reeks like exhaust in here, but I can like taste it in my mouth. But see how it goes. All right, we made it back. This is this is it right here. And honestly, I can't believe it really doesn't have any rust. It is honestly pretty damn clean. E36 2.5 325 IS. It has a welded diff. It's sitting on coils. I'll show you a bunch of other stuff on it too. It's got some tasteful mods on it. It has this sweet racing steering wheel that, look at that play. That is god awful. I'm gonna drift this and probably just rip that off. But it does have a NRG quick release on it, which is kind of cool. So I should be able to get another steering wheel that's not eBay and put on there that'll be a little more sturdy. It's a real Mezzo exhaust, but yeah, we'll see. Alright, so I can barely hear anything. It's really loud and the exhaust fumes kind of suck. But on the drive somewhere, I blew something. I don't know, I can't figure out where it's at, but it's spraying oil. I mean, it quit and it's still pretty much full of oil. So I don't really know where it's coming from. The only thing I could think of is like maybe down there, but And I'm gonna have to look further into that. We're letting it cool down for a little bit. What do you think about this, Nate?
I'm curious to find out what the fuck's wrong with it because we literally just got it and it's already fucked.
Yeah,
Still driving it though.
I was kind of revving the piss out of it and beating on it.
I have faith in it. It's a Beamer.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. It's not drained out of oil, so I don't know. I'm gonna start up a little bit and see if it's spraying oil, and we'll figure out from there. If we have to just keep adding like 2 quarts of oil every 10 minutes, it's not really a big deal either. But Beamer life. How's she sound?
It's fucking loud and rowdy and ear piercing, dude. It's fucking. Oh.
It is pretty rowdy. I did a little burnout with it through third gear and like went all sideways and shit and about lost control because it's wet out. And the welded diff is great for when it's wet out, but I don't know. Nate's gonna drive it in a little while, and I'll try to film that. I need to get all this crap out of here, and I gotta get. Oh, they haven't seen the racing seat. Look at that. And the stock steering wheel. Oh, and a short shifter and some other cool stuff in there. But I don't know. I'm kind of a tall dude, so I don't know if I'm going to fit in that because it's about the size of a car seat. But we'll find out. Alright, so Nate's going to attempt to drive a stick shift. Is this your first time ever?
Yep.
This is your first time ever? Alright, cool. And you're gonna do it on video.
Oh no!
I'm actually not
on video.
I'm not gonna tell you anything right now at all. I'm just gonna
see how I do.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let you see if you can do it.
Well, I gotta take a video of the start real quick.
All right, so 3 hours later. He's learned how to start it.
That's a good start right there. Seatbelt. Safety first, kids. Don't learn from Kyle because he doesn't know how to wear a seatbelt.
Well, don't like rip it or anything. Just see if you can just go around the driveway. Oh, he didn't kill it! Oh shit! Whoa! I don't even know what gear you're in now. I think you're in third.
I think I'm in third.
Clutch. Alright. I'm gonna clutch again. Okay, now let up. Give it gas. Alright, try to go in third. Whoa, you gotta let off the, you're in fifth.
Oh, okay.
You ain't gotta go all fast. Clutch. Let off the gas, clutch. Pull it out. Third's in the middle. Now let it off. Whoa, easy when you let it off. Okay. Alright, and fourth is straight back. Oh, that wasn't that bad.
This thing is like a go-kart.
Hey, we're moving though, we're moving. Don't go too far from my house though. Turn back around. Turn up here at this stop sign or whatever. He's driving a manual and I didn't even have to tell him to do anything. That's actually not that bad. I'm actually kind of impressed by that.
This thing is so much fun.
Hey, it's loud though, ain't it? And he's barely giving it gas too. Hey, don't blow it up, man. Remember we're squirting oil. Come on, bro.
It's so much fun, I'm sorry.
Okay. And then slowly let off the clutch until you start feeling it pull. Yeah, the brake should be going. Slowly let off the clutch and then touch the gas when it starts pulling. Oh, his first stall. It's alright. It's harder when the car gets warm because your first one was a cold, so like it's idling already high, so it's like the car's getting gas. Okay. But just clutch in and then put it into first and then go. You're turning too, which is making it harder.
Alright, I'm gonna get it.
Alright, try it again. Ooh, almost.
So fucking close, dude.
Your first one was like perfect though. Okay. Whoa. not that much gas. You don't want to roast my clutch now.
Damn it, dude. I can't get it.
So go ahead, start it again. Alright, put it in first. A little bit of gas. Like take the RPMs up till I get down. There you go. Now slowly off the clutch. Go, 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 go. Oh. Me. Do you want me to do it?
Okay, I gotta try one more time, dude.
Alright, one more time. One more time. 8th time's the charm.
Oops.
Don't do that with the clutch pushed in though. Oh, you're gonna feel it. Oh, we're gonna do alright. Alright, we're moving. Second. Oh!
That's third.
Just do a rolling stop here. Alright, go ahead. Third. You gotta let off the clutch slowly.
Okay.
That was much better. That was great.
It's just fun, dude.
Oh, he hit fifth perfectly. That was perfect.
Hell yeah, dude. It's so loud, even in bed.
We're just bouncing all the fuck around because it's sitting on stiff ass coilovers and it's loud as shit.
Here, ready to take a video? I just want to roast
Just keep
it.
your eyes on the road.
Yeah.
Don't like romp on it or anything.
Can I put it in dirt?
No, just drive casual, dude. Easy, easy, easy. It's a turn, it's wet, and we have a welded diff. Remember that.
Got you. Sorry.
Just don't want to die.
Thanks.
There, slow down, Miles. Alright, so that's the new E36, and a lot more videos to come on that. And I am going to be taking it and do some drifting and stuff, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want a Shitebox Racing sticker, leave it in the comments or PM me and let me know. Yeah, until next time.